Today we are excited to share our presentation, which is Art in Motion, a visual dialogue. We'll explore the Statue of Liberty and Christ the Redeemer, and we look forward to discuss this structure with all of you. The Statue of Liberty is a famous neoclassical sculpture in New York Harbor that symbolizes freedom and democracy. Design Sculpture Frederick August Bartholdi designed the statue. The statue is made of copper sheets over a steel framework. History Construction began in France in 1876. The statue was disassembled and shipped to New York in 1885. It was reassembled on Liberty Island in 1886. The statue was dedicated on October 28, 1886. It was designated a national monument in 1924. Symbolism The statue is a personification of liberty as a woman holding a torch and a tablet. It was a gift from the people of France to the United States on the centenary of American independence. The Statue of Liberty is famously a shade of green. But there's more than just that. Let's break down the colors and what they symbolize. Green. The statue's green hue comes from the natural oxidation of its copper exterior, forming a protective layer called patina. Symbolism Green often evokes feeling of freedom, growth, and renewal. It can also symbolize hope and safety, aligning with the statue's message of welcoming immigrants and representing liberty. Copper. When first constructed in 1886, the statue was a shiny reddish-brown due to the exposed copper. Symbolism Copper's warm tones can symbolize strength, durability, and tradition, fitting for a monument representing democracy and resilience. Gold. The current torch has a 24K gold leaf coating that reflects sunlight, making it shine brightly. Symbolism Gold often represents enlightenment, guidance, and hope, mirroring the statue's role as a beacon of freedom. The torch, after all, is a literal symbolic light leading people toward liberty. Dark gray or black. The stone pedestal is muted dark gray, anchoring the statues both physically and symbolically. Symbolism The base suggests stability, strength, and support, reinforcing the foundation of democratic ideals. Summary in color. The statue's colors work together to evoke hope, freedom, and security. The green patina symbolizes ongoing renewal, while the shining gold torch reflects optimism and guidance. Immigrants arriving in the U.S. often saw the glowing torch as a symbol of a new beginning, reinforcing the statue's emotional resonance. The Statue of Liberty masterfully uses lines and shape to create a sense of form, movement, and symbolism. Lines are vertical lines. The statue's overall form is dominated by strong vertical lines. From the base up to her robe and outstretched arm holding the torch, these lines convey strength, stability, and power, reinforcing the statue's role as a symbol of unwavering freedom. Diagonal lines. The right raised arm holding the torch forms a dynamic diagonal line. Diagonals create a sense of movement and aspiration, as if Lady Liberty is actively reaching upward, guiding others toward the enlightenment of and the hope. Curved line. Seen in the flowing robes and the crown's rays, these add a sense of softness and grace, balancing the strong vertical lines and making the statue feel more human and welcoming. Shapes. Geometric shapes. The crown's rays extend outward like rectangular spikes, symbolizing the sun's rays and liberties reach across the world. The tablet she holds is a simple rectangle symbolizing law and stability. Organic shapes. The drapery of her robes features soft, flowing folds, adding a sense of naturalism and movement. It creates the illusion of wind, making the statue feel alive and in motion rather than rigged. Circular forms. The rounded torch flame and curved crown suggest inclusivity, guidance, and protection, echoing the statue's role as a beacon of hope. Summary in lines and shapes. Lines emphasize strength and movement. Vertical for stability, diagonal for dynamism, and curved for approachability. Shapes balance geometric forms from law and order with organic ones for life and motion. The stance and raised torch add motion, symbolizing progress and hope. Overall mood of Statue of Liberty. The statue balances power and empathy. It's strong yet welcoming, towering yet helpful. It inspires courage and freedom, encouraging people to dream of better lives while reinforcing the idea that liberty requires strength and vigilance. What I think about the artist trying to communicate to us. I think Bertoldi used the Statue of Liberty to communicate a timeless message. Liberty is strong, hopeful, and universal. It's passive. It's like the way for those seeking freedom, stands firm in the face of tyranny, and moves forward to embrace the future. The Redeemer is a masterpiece which expressed the feeling and the blessing of the Brazilian people. Fitting perfectly to the landscape, the monument was conceived as an expression of the divinity of Jesus Christ, and the Searchable reach of the spatial mastery. Christ the Redeemer statue located on the Mount of Convocado. This is a famous monument in Brazil and iconic landmarks. Construction of the Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, began in 1922 and was completed in 1931. The statue was designed by French Polish sculptor Paul Landowski and built by Brazilian engineers Enero da Nirito da Villa Costa. The Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil is 90 feet tall and has within 92 feet across the outreach arms. Statue is made by soapstone tiles because its durability and easy to use. The statue of the Redeemer was in Rio, Brazil, was created to symbolize faith, hope, and national pride. It also represents Jesus Christ, message of love and redemption. The visual element statue in Brazil, including its open arm, light-colored materials, Art Deco design. Statue is made by soapstone tiles because its durability and easy to use. The statue of the Redeemer was in Rio, Brazil, was created to symbolize faith, hope, and national pride. It also represents Jesus Christ, message of love and redemption. The visual element statue in Brazil, including its open arm, light-colored materials, Art Deco design. Why is the Christ of the Redeemer is considered as a seven wonderful the world? The statue is considered as a wonder of the world due its tremendous name. Its size was also a contributing factor since it's the large monument in Art Deco design. Comparison and contrast of the Statue of Liberty and Christ the Redeemer. Global symbols, both statues are iconic landmarks and represent powerful symbols. The Statue of Liberty symbolizes freedom and democracy, while the Christ of the Redeemer represents peace, love, and faith. Tourist attraction. They draw millions of tourists each year and are important to their country's cultural identity. Location. Posted in pronounced spot the Statue of Liberty landmarks. Island land on Liberty Land in New York Harbor. Meanwhile, the Christ of the Redeemer overlooks Guinero from Mount Convocado. Massive structure. Each is a monumental statue, though they differ height and design styles. Differences. Location. Statue of Liberty, New York Harbor, USA. Christ the Redeemer, location. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Height. Statue of Liberty, 93 meters, 305 feet, including pedestal. Height. Christ the Redeemer,
98 meters, 125 feet, including pedestal.
Material, Statue of Liberty, copper with a steel framework.
Materials, Christ the Redeemer, reinforced concrete and soapstone.
Completion year, Statue of Liberty, 1886.
Completion year, Christ the Redeemer, 1931.
Designer, Statue of Liberty, Frederick August Bartholdi, Sculpture, Gustave Eiffel, Engineer.
Designer, Christ the Redeemer, Paul Wazowski, Sculptor, and Henrico da Villa Costa, Engineer.
Symbolism, Statue of Liberty, represents liberty, democracy, and enlightenment.
Symbolism, Christ the Redeemer, represent Christianity, love, and peace.
Pose, Statue of Liberty, holds the hand and the tablet inscribed with July 4, 1776.
Pose, Christ the Redeemer, and arms stretched symbolize a welcome embrace.
Purpose, a gift from France. Purpose, Statue of Liberty, a gift from France to celebrate freedom and the end of slavery.
Purpose, Christ the Redeemer, build to inspire faith and counter to the spread of atheism.
Recognition, Statue of Liberty, UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Recognition, Christ the Redeemer, one of the new seven wonders of the world.
Access, Statue of Liberty, visitors can climb to the crown.
Access, Christ the Redeemer, visitor can reach the base by train and elevator.
Summary, the Statue of Liberty and Christ the Redeemer are both monumental in size and meaning, yet they convey different ideals. Liberty versus faith. Their designs also reflect their purpose. The Statue of Liberty's bold angular form represents strength and freedom, while Christ the Redeemer opens arms and smooth lines convey peace and compassion. our presentation on English. I am Jairus Rico El Tamundong,
I'm Dean Pages, Feliciano.
and we thank you